Hey there, I'm Josh Beasley, president here at Eco Panels of Tennessee. We have a seminar coming up on April 26th, and you're invited. We'd love for you to join us. It'll be hosted here at our manufacturing facility in Hermitage Springs, Tennessee. You'll have an opportunity to come in, and we're going to talk basically all things SIPs. We're going to talk about the difference in what we do versus a lot of the rest of the industry. Of course, Eco Panels, we make a polyurethane injected closed cell foam SIP here, and a lot of the rest of the industry does EPS. We'll talk some differences there. We'll talk about general construction with SIPs, building with a tight, very energy efficient envelope, things of that nature. But it's not just a sit down type seminar. We're going to get you up. You're going to get to see us dry fit some panels. We're going to walk through the manufacturing facility. You'll get an understanding of how the panels are built. We'll show you how they're injected with foam. And we'll come out to the shop out here where we dry fit the panels for each project before they get shipped. And that's how we try to maintain quality control and accuracy. So all that being said, one more thing, we also feed you lunch. There's going to be banana pudding. If you're coming to Tennessee, we need to give you some banana pudding. So we'd love for you to join us. Just RSVP for the seminar. Give us a call. We'll get you down. See you then.